In this video, I will show you how you can send students their marked assessment. I will also show you how to see a distribution of scores graph to get a quick overview of how the class performed. Once the grading has been completed, you can return grades to students via email. To do this, go to the Results tab. At the bottom of the page, you will see a distribution of scores graph that shows how the students performed on the assessment as well as on each individual question. This is very helpful to quickly see how the class performed and to identify which questions students found particularly difficult. This information can be viewed in terms of points or percentage. At the top of the page, you can change the student view settings. This allows you to adjust the information students see when you distribute the mark assessments. To do this, click on Edit. Here, you can include an assessment summary message to students. I recommend writing some general feedback about common issues and things that students should look for when reading their personalized feedback. By default, students will see the distribution of scores graph, showing how the class performed and where they stand relative to their peers. If you don't want students to be able to see this information, untick this box. Click on Save to save these changes. When you are ready, click on Send Grades to Students to email students their grades and feedback. They will receive an email with a link to their marked assignment. You can export grades as a CSV file by clicking on Export Grades as CSV. This will download a file with all the grades showing the marks for each question, as well as the total before and after the lateness penalty has been applied. If your assessment has a large number of students, you will receive an email with a link to download the file. You also have the option of downloading all the assignments in PDF format. However, keep in mind that for courses with a large number of students, this will take up a large amount of storage space in your computer.